Hey guys, so if you're looking for how to possibly fix the issue with your Garmin 245 GPS that is not working, this is something that I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help you to actually fix the issue. So first, try to look for software update, restart. You're gonna have delete all activities. You can also look in Garmin Connect app and Garmin Express program. So these are the things you can try to do. So then also there is like, you can sign up for beta program through the Garmin Express and you can be able to do the GPL lock version. So this is like 2 years old, of course, this post, but it's something that you can try to do. And then there was like a post here that if you want to, you can also write to the tech support, and the tech support is really good with Garmin. So if you're gonna write them, they can possibly help you to fix the issue. So that's pretty much it. Now, thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit on how you can possibly fix this issue, and have a great day and goodbye.